All right. Oh, okay. Now it's all right. Oops. Hi, everybody.
Hey.
We're here. So let's just make sure we're live everywhere. So we have we're live on the YouTube. Yes, we are. Okay. So we're live on the YouTubes, and I believe
Yeah.
Discord. I'm gonna quickly check Discord on my computer to make sure that we're all good. And Luke is doing some last-minute programming work.
Yeah. This is a day in the life of a dive
Right,
programmer.
exactly. But welcome everybody or nobody. We really don't know. We did bad promotion for this.
This is true.
But welcome everybody to the hydrin update release stream. And we're gonna have a lot of fun.
Hopefully.
So we're live, okay. So is it, I know this is probably a stupid question to ask right now while we're actually live.
Yeah.
So are you not gonna replace index with the actual index?
Oh, do you think I should? I can't.
I mean, how are people
Yeah.
gonna access hydrin?
That's a good point. That's a good point.
People need to like actually use the site. But yeah, everybody, if you're watching or not, I should probably also start the event in Discord. How do you start a Discord event? How does one start a Discord event? I literally don't know. Because I think we need to tell people that the event has like started.
Yeah.
So we're live on the YouTube, that's correct? Yeah, okay, so we're live on the YouTube, and we're also doing it to our friends in the Dive Discord server. So you can just go to discord.dive.fyi if you're interested in that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start the event. Start event. Start event. Uh-oh. Laura, I just accidentally joined it. Can you join the voice? Okay, and make sure video is on.
So how's it going, guys?
Right?
This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I have both YouTube chat open and Discord chat, so we'll see how this goes.
Mhm.
And you updated landing page.
I did.
All
This is
right.
Live. Yep.
That's what we like to see. Okay, so we're back in the Discord with our video on. Yeah. Okay.
This is
So
good.
hi everybody. So there's me and Luke.
Yes.
And then we also got awesome Laura helping us behind the scenes. Look at that lower third. That looks so sick. I know we shouldn't be this excited for this, but
I think we have right.
yeah, we're the co-founders and co-creators, developers of Hydrin.
Mm-hmm.
And Hydrin is almost 2 years old, and we decided to give it a little makeover that we've been spending like 8 months.
8 months on.
It's been actually kind of crazy.
Yeah. Yeah. I remember like when we first were starting, it was like, okay, let's just do like a little fresh coat of paint around the design stuff.
Right.
And I think like I decided to go nuts. Then you were like, Luke, you gotta stop.
Right.
But then I did it.
That sounds about right.
Yeah, it really does.
Ethan, welcome on in.
Yeah.
So this is Hydrin update stream. So I think before we get too far into it, it's already live on our YouTube channel. But we made a commercial.
We did make a commercial.
And by we, I mean Luke and Dive Originals coordinator
Dive Originals
Sam.
team.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you to Sam for helping out. I don't know if he is watching or probably will watch in the future. So yeah.
Yeah, so we'll mute our mics, we'll turn off the music, and if we want to just play that Hydrin commercial, let's watch it.
Jonathan is busy with his newest culinary masterpiece, dinosaur sculpted chicken nuggets. A delectable cascade of ranch dressing fuses with the breading. He captures the dish with his smartphone and compliments the craftsmanship of the Easy Meal Corporation for their exemplary frozen chicken recipe. He opens his Hydrin profile to share his thoughts with the world. This dish was an 8 out of 10, solely reduced because of the horrible package design. Having to open the box was an abominable experience. He's watching an award-winning film on his smartphone. Unfortunately for Jonathan, it failed to keep his interest from more important endeavours. That was definitely going in the review. After all, the best critics do not need to watch the entirety of a film to determine its value. It's a 6 out of 10 according to the hottest new film critic, Jonathan. Could have had more violence, but the popcorn was truly quite delicious. With a newfound perspective, Jonathan tries his hand at an original film. Despite the incompetence of his crew, he finds a way to single-handedly pull everything together in the end. After all, he is a soon-to-be award-winning director. How hard could it possibly be to create a blockbuster of his own? If it wasn't for his hydrin profile, no one would know what an excellent filmmaker, and dare he say, team player he was. Perhaps he wants to be a birdwatcher. With hydrin, he is, and he quotes, easily the best one there is. What his shots lack in actual birds, they make up for in a tasteful composition. Jonathan has a true and deep appreciation for nature. Professional workout influencer? For Jonathan, it's all too easy to be confident in his ingenious strategies. Innovative, disruptive, trailblazing, radical. He'll even convince the world that he's the best NFT artist. Touting a massive collection of jaw-dropping work on his hydrin profile, nobody has to be aware that he doesn't actually know how to make an NFT. With hydrin, it was almost too easy to create a professional presence online. What role could he aspire to be next? Nuclear physicist? You can follow in Jonathan's footsteps for free at hydr.in.
Wait till I log in.
Bring us back, please. Thank you. Oh, I actually unmuted before that. Hey, so that was the hydrin commercial. Sharp AF, like the chat says from Ethan. And it's great. So Luke's actually currently logging in to hydrin. Actually, we want to show off the landing page first before.
We should probably show
So do
off
you want to
the
switch to
landing
my
page.
desktop so I can show off the landing page, please?
I forgot that I need
What do you need that?
the drive.
What's in it?
We got images.
Oh, we got okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, everybody. So this is the landing page of hydrin. And why did it? Hold on.
Oh,
Laura
no.
broke my screen. Oh, and I can't unbreak it. Anyways, so this is all credit to Luke. He made an amazing landing page. And let me just say, it's glorious. So up here, you see all this aquatic stuff. Sorry if it's a little laggy. I'm on my crappy laptop right now. But so you see here, share your world with the world. And these are what hydrin profiles look like now. So with this landing page, you can see all staff and verified users profiles on here. So if we load another, you'll see that Classics is loading, Luke loaded again, Jacqueline, as a lot of you know, Sam, and then my profile, all are there. And then also when you're logged in, you can even go back to the landing page and see your own profile on it for yourself.
Yeah.
You can also try it out, which I'm not going to go through, but basically if you want to see how to make a hydrin profile without making an account yet, you can sort of do that there. This is a little information about stuff, our privacy stuff. And hydrin is still 100% free. So we gave it a complete overhaul and 100% free still. It's crazy. And then you just go back to the top. And if I think that's it for the landing page. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be updating the dive hydrin profile, right?
Yes, I think that's the plan.
Yeah. So, let's get into it. So I think Luke is going to actually be doing it. So
I'm all ready to go.
what we're going to be showing off today so a lot of you know of our old link connections, which are like the most popular ones, and then there was also email and phone number, where we standardized it to what we call text connections, what are essentially like sort of like a website builder.
Yeah.
And it's really cool. So Luke, you take it away.
Of course, yeah. So yeah, basically, this is the brand new edit page. So basically, your profile now becomes the edit page as well. So if you're logged in, you'll see like this little account settings button and this edit profile button. But then if you're not there, it'll just show the share button. So anyway, these are brand new.
Yeah, actually, if you look at the very top of his screen, it says hydrin/dive. So whenever you visit your own hydrin profile when you're logged in, it'll automatically allow you to edit it. Where on old hydrin, it was very like weird where you had your own profile, but then you had the edit page where it's all just in one section now.
Exactly. Yeah. So it's a lot more streamlined. Hopefully it makes it easier to figure things out. Hopefully. So yeah. So as you can see, we got the pretty basic list of connections here, beta applications, hydrin, support, all this kind of stuff.
This is all the old. This is the old profile.
This is the old profile. Yeah.
We're gonna renovate it today.
Exactly. Yeah, and you'll see like this email connection has now been turned into the brand new text connection with these nice fluid animations running throughout, which I think is pretty cool.
Yep. And all old data has been transferred.
Yep. You shouldn't have to do anything at all. If that's not the case, please let us know.
Right.
That should be the case. But anyway, yeah. So getting into it, I can click on the edit profile button, and then everything kind of liquidates out into these sections. And so the sections then determine what actually is going to be edited. So like you can click on one of these panels and then like it'll edit that part of it. So let's say I want to edit, this profile image. I'm not a big fan of it. I'm not gonna lie, like it could be better, right? That's the idea. So, first and foremost, I'm thinking this shape, it's just not working for me. So, we could go over here and I could be like, actually, I want it in like a squircle. That's kind of nice.
Yeah, profile picture shapes.
Yeah, profile picture shapes are pretty cool.
Yeah. So I don't remember, when did Twitter add their NFT profile picture thing?
It was earlier this year.
So,
we had it first, technically.
Right. I think so.
Yeah, we definitely did.
So yeah, like we said, we've been working on this for like 8 months. We've been working on it basically since like December last year.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, there's tons of shapes. I think there's also a lot of opportunity for expansion in the future, which I think is cool. But hopefully, at least the default ones that we have here are gonna be good for a majority of people. Really quick, I am gonna need to get the file from my computer to actually change the profile picture. So yeah.
Look at that.
But yeah, so I mean it's like we got a whole thing going on now.
I wish we had a camera to show the BTS of like we hijacked my living room for this stream.
Yeah.
So we took Laura's Canon 80D for the main camera. We have 2 Logitech webcams for our personal cameras. We've got soft boxes. We got fancy battery powered lights. We've got these floodlights in the background. Like I don't have a big living room. Let me just say that. So like some of my YouTube videos and stuff was filmed in the same room, including the Kickstarter video I made with the cola. Iconic.
You know what? We think it's pretty iconic here, and that's what's important.
Exactly.
So I think we're actually gonna have some fun here, and I'm gonna make this live because I don't think I have exactly what I want. So
do you want to show it again?
Yeah, we can show it again if that works. Yeah. So I'm gonna.
So what software are you using over there?
I am using Affinity Designer. That's a great question to ask. Yeah, I freaking love this piece of software. I've been using it for, let's size that up. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I've been using it for, I think, going on like 2 years now.
It's only been 2 years you've been using it?
Probably. I mean, maybe longer.
I feel like you've been using it for a lot. I don't know why.
It's definitely possible that I'm completely wrong on this.
Maybe 3? I don't know.
Maybe 3.
Like, did you use it in high school at all?
Like, I think going in, no, I definitely did. I definitely did. Yeah, because I remember making some of the, I used to have a YouTube channel, youtube.com/LukeFabricatoryTech. I don't think we have a lower third for that.
We don't. We have a hydrin/Luke lower third, right?
We do.
Yeah, let's see it.
Okay.
Let's see that. Let's see Luke's. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Look at that. We gotta make use of these things.
Right.
That's all I'm saying. I put in too much effort. Yeah, so I remember making some of the assets for my channel on Affinity, so that's right.
So it's probably been at least 3 years.
It's probably been at least 3 years,
Yeah.
I would imagine.
And I know nothing about graphic design.
I think you know more than you think you do, Ronnie.
I don't know about that. I just know that I question a lot of what Luke says, and he's like, well, you're wrong. It's not a matter of like preference. It's just there's a lot of objective truth in graphic design, which I've learned.
Yeah, there's more than you would think, I think, which is like it's a weird sort of yeah, I don't know.
Do you have the old profile picture stored if we want to change, or are we gonna just use this new one?
I
I'm down with either way.
Yeah, I think we could just use
What you're
the
making?
new one.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
Yeah, I think it'll be better anyway. Really quick, I need to get some nice dive color codes.
Hopefully, yeah. Okay, they can't see
yeah.
that good.
Yeah, with the new release of Hydrin, it's kind of embarrassing actually. This is the first time that let me size that correctly. This is the first time that you can actually like Dive has correct colors across the board now. Because before we kind of made some bad choices and like the
I
reds
think
were,
you
like,
mean
slightly
you.
different. Sorry, yeah. As the sole designer here, it is my fault. So
Everything's your fault.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I can admit it.
As an impartial second party.
It's true.
Thank you. I appreciate that. All right, so we got a nice dive red. I don't know. Do you think we should do something different?
I don't know. I like it because
Yeah.
with the current setup, which may change in the future, on Hydrin, transparent profile pictures just like aren't a thing.
Right.
But I'm not opposed to updating that in the future, which I think we just kind of ran out of time.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
if you currently have a transparent profile picture, that means that the file is still transparent, which means in the future, if we ever bring back support, that means it will be transparent again.
Yeah. Okay. No, for sure. I was just wondering if we should like add a gradient or something.
I think that'd be, do we want to be flashy?
we could be flash.
Well, what do you propose?
I was just thinking we could do something like this. So I'll bring it over to the gradient menu.
There's a gradient menu?
Yeah, gradients are great, dude. Gradients add some things, you know? Really make you question, you know, what reality is. I don't know if that's true.
Oh, fun. Somebody messaged me on Discord. That's weird. Is it because people can't join? I hope they can.
I hope they can too. That'll be fun.
Don't worry, guys. I'm just... Oh, no, this is some scam.
Oh, good.
We love scams around here. Let me make sure it's not from our Discord. It's some cryptocurrency thing.
I love crypto
scams.
Those are the best kinds.
Oh, this
of
is from
scams.
the alt-identifier Discord.
Yeah.
Let me just block this dude. Can I report him, or can I like report this message specifically? I know that on mobile it's a lot easier.
This is freaking live moderation.
It
That's what we have
is.
here.
Block. I'm just gonna block him. Report spam. Yes, please. Done.
Okay.
He has been reported.
That's
Not deep. I didn't say it.
Okay. I'm thinking that looks pretty good as far as gradients go.
Yeah, it's subtle, which I like.
Yeah.
It's not too in your face.
It's got something. It's got something. I like it.
Yeah.
All right, let me make this up really quick. Okay. Save it here. Got a bunch of stuff. You guys are gonna see everything I'm working on. It's great. Dive profile picture.
Are you cool with them seeing your file explorer?
I think that's
Okay.
fine. I don't really care.
That's good.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll add that in. Like an absolute legend. I don't know. What do we feel?
I don't. It's not the official term, but I really like to call that one that you have on right now the Ritz cracker.
Ritz cracker.
It's not the. Just saying, it's not the official dive term. That's just what I call it. What is it called? Scallop.
It's called a scallop. Yeah, that is also the name of the shape. But yeah.
I don't care. It's a Ritz cracker. Don't care what you say, Luke.
You know what? I get that. I get that. I think we should go with the squircle.
I like the squircle. It's very. It's iconic.
It is iconic.
Everything's iconic.
Everything is iconic.
Yeah.
Anyway,
So let's see that.
Upload that, save those
Cool.
changes, and then check it out. Oh, we might need to refresh the page.
Uh-oh.
Go hard. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
We're still kind of getting the kinks out for some of the profile picture stuff.
Yes,
So I
I
apologize.
think-
it will load. It has updated. I promise. But yeah.
Okay, yeah, because
Yeah.
there's I don't know if it was from because we did a server transfer recently about a week ago, and now we also have and then we updated Hydrin, so there's some miscommunication with you. So can you just not force refresh? Is it just like broken?
It's just broken.
All right.
We'll figure it out. It's
Well, that's
Yeah.
the only. Anyways, it is updated.
yeah. Look, everything we're doing is trying to make all of our services faster. The
Right.
problem is there is so many logistics to that. and-
Right, it's faster. It's just not better. No, I'm kidding. Hydrin is 10 times better. I don't care what you guys say. I should probably log into my Hydrin profile.
Yeah, okay. So we'll just pretend that all the effort I put into that profile picture actually, went into something great. I think that's the only thing we can do at this point. But yeah. I mean, I don't really think we need to update the color. I think
I
it's
think the
looking
color.
pretty good.
Well, let's generate a color from the
we
profile.
can generate colors from profile picture.
That's just
so-
generated from the current one, though.
Yeah.
It's not generated from the new one we got.
That is true, because it's not, So basically, which is pretty cool. There's like a bunch of different options for selecting colors now, because literally the old Hydrin had a hex input, and that was it for like custom color inputs. But this one, you can pick a color from this, color picker list thing, or you can add a hex code. Let's see if I still have that one pasted. I do. That's really great. And then you can generate from your profile picture, which should help people have a really easy time making a theme that really works well across all of their Hydrin profile thing. So anyway, and then when you're ready to save it, you just press the little check mark like everything else, and then it's saved. Also, I'll show what this light mode looks like, but I think like we're dive, so
Yeah.
I think it's sacrilegious.
Yeah, I
honestly.
think we need to
Yeah.
keep it in dark right now.
Yeah.
Also, hello, Mr. LA.
Oh.
Greetings indeed. We're showing off the new Hydrin update. It is live right now. So if you go to hydr.in, I think we have a lower third for that even.
Yeah.
You guys can check out the new update now. If you guys had a Hydrin profile on the old Hydrin, it should be on the new one as well. Look at that. That's the URL. It's the name of the site. It's the URL. It's that short.
It's that easy.
It is that easy.
Ease. Yeah. So we got that. And then I mean, other than that, like, I also feel like this could stay pretty much the same, which is unfortunate.
The bio, yeah.
Yeah, we could but we could do like dive media just to show this in action, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Then we can see that as dive media.
I kind of like that because it's not just like the dive social platform.
That's a good point.
So we can just keep it right now.
We just keep it as dive media. All right. That works. Yeah, I like that.
I gotta repost I forgot to repost the stream on Facebook, so I gotta do that real quick. I forgot to do that on all of my socials because we were 5 minutes late.
We were. I apologize.
It's all Luke's fault.
Yeah, that's fair.
He broke the site without knowing it.
I did. I broke the site like probably months ago when I wrote that code, which is great.
But why did it just break? Do you have any idea?
Not a clue. Yeah, like literally right before launch, something broke. It's fixed now, but yeah, something like it was like the stupidest thing. I was like,
There
"Thanks, that's
now.
cool." Yeah. So anyway, that's the main like profile editor stuff. But then we also have. I mean, this is this is the section.
Right.
honestly.
This is the bread and butter of the hydrin update. Like everything that you've seen before now is just it's all right. So actually, one other thing we have not talked about yet with the hydrin update, which I think we should, since it's so brief, that we should go into it first. Midnight mode. Because we've talked a lot about it behind the scenes. We had a little bit of stuff happening on the old hydrin and or the old version, and we came to the conclusion where, so if you don't know, we built our own rating system for eventually when Dive comes out and for Dive Originals. So it's like there's the PG-13 R system for like movies and stuff, but we've created our own rating system that's going to be used on Dive Originals, and to a certain extent Hydra now.
Yep.
So we have introduced Midnight Mode. So if you want to show this off,
I can show
where
Midnight Mode.
essentially you can now link to 18 plus content or adult content on Hydra now. The only exception is that in text connections, like images are like you still can't upload those, but if you want to upload to other sites, like subscription content sites of sorts, you can now link to those. But Midnight Mode is a must. If you don't have that enabled, you are breaking Hydrin and Dive's terms of service.
Yes, so please make sure you click this little flashlight on. You'll also see that your profile now has a midnight icon, and then when you refresh the page, you'll also get a little warning, or at least
you're logged in,
right? But we're logged in, so
right.
yeah,
How about I'll enable it on my profile, and then you can visit me.
Yeah, that's
let
a
me enable
great
that real
idea.
quick. Okay, I enabled it.
Right, let's
And
see.
there you go.
There it is.
That's the alert that you get.
And then I can also, if I choose to leave, it just goes back to whatever I was at.
Right, and it's cool because I didn't know this was possible. It literally sends you back to the previous page, whatever page you were on. So if you were on Google and then you clicked on somebody's profile from Google, it'll just send you back to Google.
Yeah,
it's kind of cool.
It's pretty freaking sick.
I'm gonna disable that because I am not a Midnight Master. That's what we should have called it, Midnight Master mode.
Midnight Master mode. I don't like that.
I don't like it. Yeah, it's horrible.
Anyway,
absolutely atrocious.
We also don't plan on making the Dive profile midnight.
No, so turn that off. Yeah, if you do want to see us updating it live though, you can go to hydrin/dive.
Yeah. All these changes are happening in real time.
Yeah.
So you can check those out.
Let's see that. Oh wait, that's not it.
Do we have one?
We don't have a Dive one?
We don't have a Dive one? Hey, don't look at me.
I thought we did.
I thought we did. Yeah,
there we go. Look at that. So if you guys want to check it out, hydrin/dive.
Yes, that's the way to do it. I'm excited. It's gonna be
so now we have to figure out what we want to do with the text connection.
Right.
Because I really think with the Dive profile, we are going to be heavily using text connections because we have such an not a huge online presence, but we have a lot of things in a lot of places.
It's true.
So I really think that we should have all of our social media links in a single text connection to all of our normal socials. So like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of that can just be thrown into one text connection now in one place. Because what we ran into before was that we did not have enough space for all of our socials on our Hydrin profile. And we thought people were being overdramatic.
Yeah.
We're going to be honest. Because what was the limit? 9?
It was 9.
And now it's 12.
Now it's 12.
So you can have 12 connections of any type on your profile now. So you can have 9 links, you can have 9 text connections, and you can throw both text and links and images in text connections, which I guess we can show off right now.
Yeah.
So do we want to start from...
Should we just start from...
So before we start from scratch, there's let's show off existing connections. Because now you can edit connections. That was a big thing people did not like, that they could not edit connections, and we thought we were justified because we wanted analytics to be accurate.
Right.
And we realized people don't care.
People really don't care about that.
And if they do care, then we'll let them care.
Yeah. We decided we're not going to be Twitter anymore, and editing is a possibility. So, yeah, it's pretty crazy. I know, kind of a wild notion, but So, I guess we can go right up to this beta application one.
So I think we are gonna remove this because I think we're gonna stop beta right now. Not stopping beta, but stopping beta applications at least at this time.
So yeah, this is something. I mean, I guess I could show the power of the delete function.
Power of delete, but also let's check out analytics. So it's not, we can't show a lot right now, but
do you want to go to the profile and just click on it?
Oh yeah, I guess I can do that because we have better analytics now as well that match similar to Dive Tap, where on Hydrin it used to tell you unique clicks, and I'll be honest, when we were doing the transfer, we saw some people had like 700 unique clicks on their links. It's ridiculous. And now we show both unique, total, and we have timestamps now. So let me click on beta application. All right, so I just clicked on it.
Okay, sick. So now if I hit update, you'll see it's currently like, it's between the 12 to 12:59 p.m. for us time frame. So basically you can get hour to hour analytics based on when people are clicking on things. And you also see that it's one click from one unique person. Do you want to click on it again?
I will click on it once again. All right, I just did it.
Heck yeah. So if I update it again, you'll see now it's 2 clicks, but still one unique person. So pretty cool. But yeah, I mean, obviously like this could be really powerful, especially like we have, I mean, let's go back like...
We should go back to all the way to December 31st, 1999.
Okay.
Well, because...
Actually, we can't do that.
We can't?
It's only 65 days.
It's only 65 days?
Yeah. You do this.
I did not know this.
Yeah. In the future, we probably will update it to be larger. We just want to make sure we weren't overloading our servers.
Right.
So yeah.
Oh, that's right. Yep. So, and the reason I specifically said that date is because we needed to somehow transfer analytics from the old analytics where it didn't have a timestamp. So we kind of threw it way back in time so that if at some point we show total clicks and whatnot, those will still be tracked while not interfering with your analytics, because we considered setting it today to yesterday for all of them, but it may just seem like a bad spike, and maybe confusing, especially like a year from now where you forgot that we updated Hydrin because it's so freaking good.
Right. So as you can see, like this is like the larger view. So we call this like the week view or whatever. So you can see each one of these like little time zones are grouped by weeks. So like it'll start from the first date that you selected and then go 7 days in the future and then the next 7 days. So you can sort of see groupings like that. So as you can see, between July 6th and July 12th, there were 2 clicks, and obviously those 2 clicks were today, but that's okay. Anyway, and then now we can also expand the timeline too, so then you can just see, so now this is in day view where you can see each individual day, and then if you expand it again, then you're back to the hour view like before.
And so these analytics are fairly similar to how they are on Dive Tap, and Dive Tap is over a year old now. Kind of crazy. And we figured we need to bring it to Hydrin because not everybody can get Dive Tap, not everybody wants Dive Tap, and we figured bringing an awesome feature to Hydrin for free. And like I said before, Hydrin will always be free. There's gonna be no paywalls ever. I'm saying it right now. No paywalls ever.
No paywalls ever.
For the consumer, for you, for the person that is using Hydrin, our goal and I think our promise is that you will never pay a single penny.
Yeah. It's we think of building an internet profile as a fundamental right of the internet, and we want to be the service that provides that to you. So and
without stupid NFT features.
No NFTs. No all the NFTs. I say that as like our Dive Original coordinator literally has NFT.
He literally has NFT collections. So I guess no you like NFTs, whatever. If you don't like NFTs, whatever. We're not gonna do NFTs. At least in the foreseeable future, while it's still hated amongst the internet.
I think we're gonna figure out where Web3 is going before we decide to stake our entire like company on it, like some people are doing. So That's a big thing. So yeah. Anyway, that's analytics. Pretty sweet.
We just totally went down a rabbit hole.
We did. It's okay. You know, that's the cool part about live streams is like
No editing.
no editing. Yeah, we just keep going. It's great.
Great.
Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna delete this connection, but then I'll also show editing on another one because I think it'll be
So
cool.
let's yeet it.
Yeah, let's get rid of it. We got brand new pop-ups for
Right.
everybody,
So you
too.
can't accidentally delete connections because that was a
Yeah.
thing.
Oh, you literally could just press the trash can
Right.
button and that's it. You're done.
Right.
So,
And something to note as well, I guess, after you delete that.
Yeah.
A fundamental feature of reordering connections.
yes.
That was a struggle on on old Hydrin, and specifically was unintuitive.
Yeah.
Especially for mobile users.
Oh yeah.
And do you want to show reordering connections? Because this is so cool. I know that you guys are like, oh, this is a normal feature.
Yeah.
But
I think it's pretty
it's
cool.
awesome. So show it off.
I mean, yeah, like this. So yeah, let's just give it the grand reveal it deserves. Sorry. So you can watch live what's happening on the left side, and we can yeah. So then I can just take it and drag it anywhere I want, and then if I hover over this arrow, I can even put it at like the very bottom, like so. And then there it is, and then you can see it updated live. So yeah, I can move them around, you know, like crazy. It's really cool.
That's so freaking sick.
We did. I mean, we custom built a gestural navigation system to allow like this level of minimalism on the design. So like, yeah, just being able to click to open and then drag to reorder took a lot of time to work on. And
Yeah.
get it right. So it even has different controls based on whether or not you're using touch screens or whether you're using a desktop computer. So it was all custom built and took a while.
Yep. And I don't think we're gonna be able to show that this feature off today, but with the old system, correct me if I'm wrong, icons were hard coded into connections.
Icons were hard coded in Connect.
Which means if we added an icon, which we did for a long time, we added like one icon a week or something like that.
Yeah,
We did
yeah,
it
yeah.
for so long. And now if you add a connection and we don't have an icon for it yet, but in the future we do, the icon should automatically add itself, right?
Yep. Automatic.
Awesome.
updates, Yeah. We have a whole database full of icons from previous Hydrin and stuff, and we keep adding things. So yeah, like if you don't see an icon on Hydrin, let us know, and we will definitely consider adding.
Right.
it.
Like the other day I noted we don't have. I didn't know it's pronounced coffee, KO-FI.
Right,
We don't have
yeah.
that icon yet, so we were talking about adding that because we have Buy Me a Coffee. We don't have Google.
We don't have.
We have
Google.
like Google Drive and stuff, but I feel like
I mean, to be fair, who's using like
who's using Google?
search? as
But-
a Hydrin?
but some people may want that as an option.
We
That's the
could.
thing.
It's true. It's true. Yeah,
It's
we
like, why do
definitely-
we have Clubhouse?
Okay, that's fair. That's a good point.
Why do we have Clubhouse? Who
Anybody
uses
using Clubhouse? Can we get a Clubhouse check up in here?
Right?
Yeah. That's,
Honestly.
it's not ideal, but it's okay.
Yeah.
It is what it is. Yeah. So anyway, let's go to here. Man,
You're talking too loud.
I'm talking too loud.
That's what I just heard.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll talk
So
quieter.
don't talk so loud.
Yeah. I'm talking at my
All right.
microphone. Yeah.
You didn't even know Clubhouse
bad.
was a thing.
I-
So like, do you know of Twitter Spaces? Twitter Spaces and Discord stage channels, and that was all basically from Clubhouse.
Yeah.
Clubhouse was a big hit. It was like the live podcasting thing, and it blew up. And so literally every platform stole that feature, and now nobody cares about it.
It's really sad. It happens so often in social media.
Like, we knew it was a fad. We
Yeah.
we weren't gonna try to jump on the hype train.
Yeah.
It's just so many resources gone to waste over that feature.
It's yep, that's true. That's really true. But hey, Twitter Spaces do exist.
They do, and I think
Yeah.
Twitter Spaces as a whole is more popular than Clubhouse now, thankfully.
Yeah.
Because
that was-
Clubhouse for the longest time was also iOS exclusive.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, that's why it took so long too, was because all these platforms had like iOS based stuff first. You know what? That reminds me. We should talk about the fact that hydrin is literally accessible on every single
Right,
platform.
every single platform, every single device. I have
Yeah.
a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and it works on that. To be fair,
How
it's not the smoothest thing, but it works.
It does work. Although I was informed, what was
It was the Nintendo DS.
yeah. Sorry, it doesn't work on the DS.
The
I
3DS, yeah, you can't. It's so if you exclusively use the DS for all of your web browsing needs,
We're sorry.
very sorry.
Yeah, it's really bad. We'll do better.
We'll
in
do
the
better,
future,
yeah. Exactly.
Anyway, okay, so going back into connection. Sorry. Yeah, so we got this dive tap connection here. So eventually, I'm just gonna delete everything in like a second.
We're gonna
but
just eat them all.
we're gonna eat them all. Yeah.
Oh, but how? Wait, I wish we could look at how many clicks our dive.fyi one has. You can't see. It's like
Yeah.
500 something.
We're gonna lose all of it.
All of it. I
We're
remember
doing
we
it
were
for
like.
this.
I remember when we switched from DIIVVE to dive.fyi, we went into the database, manually changed our URL so that we would not lose our analytics for it. Do you remember that?
Oh, I remember. It
Because
was
we
the
had
end
so
of an
many.
era.
Yeah. So we were like, we cannot lose our analytics. And then when we did that, we realized, why don't we just let everybody do this?
Yeah, we should really just it's so yeah, it's really bad when we break our own rules. So
Yeah. If
yeah,
we have to break our own rules, we're doing something wrong.
we are doing, and we did do
Right.
something wrong, clearly. It's okay. It was 2 years ago. It's fine. We were younger people then, and that's a fact. You can quote me on that.
We were younger people.
Yeah.
That is quite literally true.
That's literally true. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna show this really cool thing because I really like. I think it's very aesthetically pleasing to watch this change. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna do Twitter. I can't type. There we go. Okay, we're gonna do .dive. Yeah. So I'm just gonna show like this is dive Twitter. So all of this stuff, I'm updating literally the entire connection, which is sick. And then I just hit save changes. And then not only does it save the changes, obviously, but it also updates this little color association directly and immediately. So you can make sure that like if it's a supported platform, we recognize that supported platform. Otherwise, it'll just be like gray basically.
Yeah.
So yeah, if it's like a regular or like custom link or whatever, then it's just great. But yeah. All right, let's delete that. Let's get rid of it.
So he said, isn't breaking the rules kind of part of the point of development?
Yeah.
And I mean, you're not wrong, but we weren't developing at the time.
Right. We just wanted it.
Right, we weren't developing at the time, but
Uh-huh.
I guess we are kind of breaking all the rules like with these competitors, especially like when we released Hydrin originally, there was like one competitor.
Yeah.
And now we can probably list half a dozen off the
At
top of our
least.
heads.
Yeah. And we looked at like every single one.
Right,
too,
and
when we were looking at
Hydrin, this new Hydrin update is objectively better.
It's like maybe it's because we made it, but Hydrin's better. I know that's kind of wild, but yeah, no, I mean just the power that you get with Hydrin, and especially for literally $0, like
Right.
there's no reason not to be using Hydrin.
Exactly.
That's kind of how we're feeling about it.
Yep.
Yeah, like because I mean, if you don't like it, like literally you're not out any money. We didn't take anything from you.
Right.
We're a privacy focused company, so we have no data to collect. Like
Speaking
yeah.
of which, we don't have to show it right now, but
Yeah.
in account settings now, you can now delete your own dive account, your own Hydrin account,
Yeah.
or whatever, because we had a handful of people wanting their accounts deleted, which is totally understandable. You know, sometimes it's just not for you, and you want your account deleted. You can now do that yourself without asking for our help, and you can also suspend your account. So if for whatever reason somebody gets into your account and you're losing control, you can suspend that for yourself and then email us to get access back.
Yep. It's super cool. And yeah, we wanna offer more control to you in the future. That's a big part of, I think, privacy and user ethics and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully we can.
Yeah.
But anyway, yeah. I'm just gonna keep going through and deleting more of these. This is really sad, actually.
yeah.
This is depressing for me. Yeah, let's just get rid of it. Yeah, kill it all. This is great. And Discord even. I'm gonna copy this link just so we have it.
Which
It's a nice link.
Yeah, we could either use that one. Well, yeah. The thing is, I was gonna say we should just use our discord.dive.fyi link, but we wouldn't have the icon.
We don't have the Discord icon.
But we can change it at any time anyway.
It's true. We can. Yeah, which is pretty freaking cool. So, anyway, yeah, and then as you can see, before I delete this one too, this is the brand new text editor. We'll go into that a little bit more later, but as you can see, so this is the email address. This is how it's being kept inside of here now.
As a text connection.
As a text connection. These are so new. These are like, it's sick. I promise you, it's sick. It's really cool.
It's really freaking cool.
Yeah. So yeah. Anyway, delete that too. All right. So now we literally have 0 connections.
So if I go to hydrin/dive, it's just gonna be big sad.
It's gonna be big sad.
You can't see my screen right now, but it's quite literally the definition of sad.
Yep.
So if you guys go to hydrin/dive right now, you will see the sadness that is this profile.
I love how the lower third comes on the screen like, please watch
I was
our
waiting
demise.
for her to do it. I was like, thank you for taking the hint, because I was like, yes, we need this. Like, look at the sad. We need all the clicks we can get.
I love that. That was the best transition.
Right?
Yeah, and as you can see, if you have no connections, we'll now give you this little pop-up that says no connections yet. I'm pointing at, I should point at that camera. Yeah. Anyway, it's a little bit jarring. I'm not used to multicam setups.
No.
Yeah.
You usually do fake multicam setup.
I do fake multicam. I record in multiple angles.
You
the
did.
same
You
thing.
did that for the Kickstarter video.
Yep,
You
yep.
did that for the tutorial video, right?
Yeah,
Which we'll get into a
tutorial
bit
video.
later, where
we'll talk about
we have a
tutorial
support page now.
We
We have
do.
so there's tutorials and stuff, and we'll show it off after this. We're getting too off track, but like,
We are getting too off
oh my
track,
gosh,
yeah.
it's so exciting.
Yeah.
You
it's-
showed it on the screen. Oh no, we're gonna go there instead.
What?
Anyways,
Yeah. So anyway. Yeah, so let's repopulate this connections thing, shall we? Does
Yeah.
that sound like a good. Anyway, yeah, so we can do new connections.
so what should the first connection be? Should we do all of our socials first? Should we do the support?
I think we should do all of our socials first, because
Okay.
I kind of want to get this paste out of the way so I don't accidentally copy something.
That's fair.
Yeah, so I'm gonna paste that in, and as you can see, when I inputted this link into here, it automatically recognized that Discord was the link connection.
Right.
So like you can check it before you do it. You can't do anything with it. It's just letting you know we know what it is now.
Also, can you show them all the icons we support?
Oh, believe
Holy
me, I
smokies.
can. Yeah, this is a really fun thing to show off. I think a lot of people find this fun. Yeah, I mean the list just goes on.
Well, it just
on.
ended, but-
It just ended. You know what? That's okay. I believe it's like almost 70 platforms. we now
Wow,
have on
that's a lot of
Hydrin.
icons, and you updated a lot of them too a while ago.
Yeah, we did have a major icon overhaul. So yeah, these are looking fresh, all custom made in-house. So they match like the Hydrin aesthetic, and they're not just like generic social media icons, because I think I mean I don't know about you, Ronnie, but I think it kind of ruins like the whole look when like the icons just
Right.
like, they're all
When
different.
the icons look bad, the whole site looks bad.
Yeah, exactly. So
It's the
yeah.
truth.
And we're doing all the work for you. You don't even have to worry about messing it up. We're
Right.
not-
Exactly. Because I don't know if I want to do name calling, but I don't like how Linktree lets you do it, and also some of their icons are garbage.
Yeah, no, they're not good. And
Or
that's-
outdated, or I mean, ours can be outdated too, but if people let us know, we will update them so that they are the updated icon.
Right. Yeah. So it's yeah, it's pretty cool. We got a lot of icons now. So
Yeah.
I'm just gonna paste in here Discord, or should I do like join? I think it was join the Discord.
They're
before.
adding so should we? I think that is what we did with exclamation point at the end. You're
Yeah.
saying we should have our social medias in a, so Discord should be separate from our social medias. I think so.
I think that makes
Okay,
sense.
yeah,
Yeah,
let's do that.
yeah. Okay.
I just noticed you're making a link connection, so I was just wondering.
That's a fair point. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, if we could probably do something else later. But anyway, yeah, you can
Join
see.
the Discord. So now,
right
if I
there.
go there, I can join the Discord. And also, we are streaming in the Discord. So if you are in our Discord server and want even lower latency, even though we have ultra low latency on YouTube right now, we have a voice channel that you can watch us in there. And we don't actually have a dedicated text channel anymore. We're using text and voice channel
Text and
things.
voice.
And it's a thing. We should have a little different Discord.
Dang.
Too bad we can't customize it. Throwing some shade.
It had to be like this, Laura. Anyway, sorry. Laura's doing a great job. Shout out to Laura.
Yeah,
sorry.
she's helping us so much. But if you do go to the hydrin dive hydrin profile, it's on there now, so you can just go there to join the Discord. There we go. Look at that, beautiful.
Yeah, I can confirm that's the best place to go. So
Yeah, and then we can see how many. Laura's doing her best. Is her best good enough? It is.
Oh my god.
She's giving me a look. I feel like I'm gonna be dead.
That was a death glare.
It was a death glare.
Anyway.
Has anybody clicked on it
rightfully
yet?
so.
I'm curious.
Let's see. Has anyone clicked on the Discord? No.
Click on update. Can we?
I mean, yeah, we can update it. I don't think we're gonna get anything new.
Click on it. There we go.
There we go.
We got one click.
Amazing. It's absolutely stunning. It's exactly what we wanted. So cool. We got one click.
Yep, and then yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's keep adding things.
Yeah.
So
Let's add
anyway,
our social medias.
let's do Twitter.
Well, no, we're doing a
first.
text connection. Remember?
Are we? Oh, we're just gonna have one.
That's
big...
what I was talking about earlier.
what
You
you were
literally
thinking.
confirmed with me.
Oh shoot! No, you're totally right.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
You're giving me a headache, Luke.
Yeah, it's valid.
We had not enough sleep.
Yeah. What should we call this? I don't even know.
The dive social media. I don't know.
Dive on social media. Social media
On dive.
on dive.
Social media's to the max.
Social media, but
Follow
follow us
everywhere.
everywhere. Yeah, that's good. I like that. Okay.
Everywhere, all caps.
I hate it.
You hate it so much you love it.
Yeah, we can vibe with that for now. We can always edit it.
That is true. Without losing your analytics as
That's
well.
crazy. Yeah. Could you imagine being able to edit connections?
So, dude, we're creating our
Anyway.
first text connection.
Yeah,
So-
sorry. Okay, let
so
me
we
let
gotta
me
go
go
in
back.
depth.
Yeah, let's go back a bit cuz yeah, all right. So basically first and foremost, I should say the two different types of connections are up here, so you can select them using link or text. Pretty cool. And then yeah, as you can see, it's like a completely different format for text connections. So you basically have this big like open field here to just explore. You can have up to 20 items, and basically to add an item, you just press the add button. If you're on mobile, it doesn't say add, it just has a plus, but you get the point. It's the same button. So yeah, so there's I think in the future it'd be cool to have more options, but for right now we have 4. The 4 options are headings, text, images, and links.
And do you want to just give like? Do you want to just add one of those, all of those right now,
Yeah.
and then we can just delete them when we're.
That sounds good.
Let's see what a heading looks like.
This is a heading, so I can be like, this is a really, I'm gonna add, yeah, cool heading. Yeah, and then that's my heading, and then I could add some text. So text is just like body text, so it's just like smaller, not as like as intense or as like bold in your face, so I think our limit on this is like 2,000 characters or something like that.
That
So,
sounds about right.
yeah, I mean, like, I don't know what you're gonna be typing in here, but like I definitely do not. Yeah. That's okay. Anyway, let's go to lorem ipsum really quick. We'll pull that up.
Lorem ipsum yo.
Yeah. I'll just.
So what is lorem ipsum for the people who don't know?
That's a great question. So lorem ipsum is my favorite thing. That's not true, but it is. It's pretty high on the priority list. But so basically, when you're making mock-up stuff or things where you don't actually have text content, but you want a lot of text content, you can generate some lorem ipsum, which is basically a bunch of random Latin words. And it's supposed to test out what the typography looks like or what the font looks like and the sizing and everything like that. So it's better than using real words because like people aren't trying to read it because most people don't know how to speak Latin. If you do, that's really cool. You should be praised for that.
Right.
So yeah, so anyway, this is a great website, loremipsum.io. But yeah, I just generated 2 whole paragraphs. So
Of gibberish.
of gibberish. It is in fact gibberish. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be fun on the connection. I can already tell. So anyway, let's pull that up. Okay, so yeah, we can just toss that right in there like so.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. I mean, like you could also do as little as 1 letter if you wanted to. I'm not saying you have to paste entire paragraphs, but it's an option.
Right. And so, and really, if one text thing isn't enough for you, you can just add 2 back to back. Really.
Just add 2. Easy. Yeah.
Yep.
So yeah, it's really nice. And then let's add an image. Images are something we're really excited about because I think there's just so much
There's
power.
so much power.
Yeah, and GIFs work. GIFs work.
GIFs
Let me.
do work.
Yeah. You know what? Let's use the thumbnail for this live stream, right?
Right.
That sounds like a
Or a
good
video
choice.
that people are watching
Yeah.
after the fact.
Yeah. So yeah, it takes a couple seconds to process or upload or whatever. I think our Wi-Fi is really fast, and also our servers are even faster now.
They
so,
are. Oh my
yeah.
gosh. It's our last. Oops, I just kicked that tripod again. Our last web host, was a pain.
Yeah, we won't name names.
We won't name. We've named names in the past.
Yeah.
We'll no longer do that.
Yeah.
Unless people want to know who we're with now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So that's an image, and it's really cool, and like it's all right there, and it's all this like layout editor thing, so you can just do that. And then lastly, you can add a link, and this can actually be a legitimate link because we can just keep this one around, because like that's basically all this connection is going to be anyway.
Right.
It's just links. So yeah, let's do Twitter first. I don't even, that's cool too. I don't even need the HTTPS. I can just type like twitter.com in here and it'll do
Last
the thing.
hydrin was very jank.
It was kind of jank.
It auto detects icons now. Like,
Oh,
there's so much power.
I put them in the wrong spot.
Oh, maybe that's your poor design decision.
It is a poor design decision, I will say. But anyway, yeah. So anyway, yeah. So I should also mention like this is so when you're clicking on it and like you highlight something, it's in like edit mode. So after like you close out of edit mode, then like you can't just start typing anymore. So like you gotta make sure that you're inside of there to start like editing the connection, because after it, I guess the cool part is, which I can now show, is you can reorder them just like you would reorder a connection. So I can just take this and I can drag this up here, and it's really cool. And then like, let's say I want to move this image up, like it shows me a little preview of what the image looks like, and then I can add that up there.
That blinking eyeball is such a nice touch. I remember when Luke
Oh
first
yeah.
showed me that.
Let's take a look at this guy really
The
quick.
eyeball.
Yeah, it's meant to make you feel super uncomfortable.
So that you quickly move them.
So that you quickly move things, because yeah, why wouldn't you? Like, what are you,
That's
are you dead?
almost as
Like, I
scary
don't-
as the eyeball on the landing page.
the eyeball on the landing page is yeah, if you're viewing the landing page on Safari or on an iOS device of any sort with any browser, yeah, the landing page, you'll notice that the eyeball kind of glitches out, which we thought initially, we were like, oh, that's bad, that shouldn't be happening because it doesn't happen on non-Safari browsers. But then I don't know, it's kind of creepy, it's kind of nice, which is like the whole point. It's
Right.
like glitching and stuff.
And also
so-
that helps people hopefully not use iOS devices.
Right. Yeah, exactly. So basically what we're trying to say is everybody should switch to Android. It's like, yeah, that's our
Or at
little-
least not use Safari on a Mac.
Please don't use Safari on a Mac. If you're using Safari on a Mac, like I respect it. It's fine. It's choice. Like you have that option, but please don't.
Right.
Just don't. Developers hate Safari, so
We hate Safari.
we hate Safari, but also I'm pretty sure that's global as well. So, because Apple
I don't
doesn't do
understand
well.
people who use Safari. Period.
Yeah.
It's just like, why would you?
Why would you use Safari?
Why
What's the
would
reason for
you?
that?
Okay, I'm
Not
really,
using Safari.
I'm still frustrated that I thought we fixed it, that the profile picture would refresh.
Oh yeah, I think we might need to redo the file root on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
That's,
well.
so maybe for a little bit today, profile pictures are not going to be working. But
Well, they work. They just might not be updating.
Yeah, they just might not be updating. So we'll have to see what that problem is. But like, if you want to update, never mind. There is no other option. So you're stuck with your profile picture
Right.
for right now. Sorry.
Because you updated, you did update upload pfp.inc, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I should have, but it might.
You didn't? You? What do you mean you don't know?
I don't remember now.
Now you would think of this thing. That means that also delete PFP. That requires that too.
Yeah.
I am talking into the mic.
We're getting echo
We're
alerts again.
We're getting lectured.
Yeah, so anyway, this is just gonna be solely a link connection now though, so I'm just gonna remove all of
Not a
this
link
stuff.
connection. It's gonna be a text connection with links.
With links. Yeah, sorry, you're right.
How dare you say
I-
such lies?
Oh man, you're so right. So we have this new thing called, well, it's, I guess all of this is new, so I guess it's not like
Everything's new. You know, this one
Yeah.
new thing. We only
It's
added
one
one
new thing.
feature.
We added one feature and we're having a whole live stream about it.
Right.
So this is called delete mode. Yeah, I think some people on the team are not a big fan of delete mode. I thought it was a good decision at the time, but
I have mixed
yeah.
feelings about it because on one hand I like that you can mass delete things, but on the other hand, it just feels like if you're editing something, you should just be able to press delete. You know?
yeah,
And
yeah.
it works. You have a tooltip too.
Mhm.
All of the required stuff is there.
Yeah,
It's just not my favorite. But you know what? I don't have to love everything. I don't have to love everything about all the things we do.
yeah. That's a really depressing way to look at it. I guess that's fair.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's use it. So basically, yeah, I should explain what delete mode is. So instead of having a delete button, which I kind of deem to be unintuitive for this flow, because a lot of things are using the drag and click functionality, and those are the only two options on the thing. So like basically you can either drag it or you can click it and to edit it or whatever. So I thought adding another functionality where it's deleting or whatever was just too much. I don't know. So yeah, so instead you go down to delete mode and then make sure that's clicked on. You also, it's very red. It's kind of hard to miss. So like really hope that that's good. But yeah, and then you can just click on the things you don't want anymore and they go away. Just make sure that like you unselect it when you want to go back to editing something, because otherwise it will delete it. We don't give warnings or anything.
Yeah, we don't have an undo.
Yeah, because we thought it, like, part of delete mode's like versatility is the fact that you could literally just wipe a connection clean really quickly if you wanted to and use something else. So yeah, but so anyway, we got our Twitter. Let's see about
Instagram.
Instagram is a good second choice. So let's do that. And we'll go Instagram.
Dude, you're doing it again.
I did it again.
You did it again. This is so how bad it is.
Oh my gosh, thank you. But you're right.
Yeah.
You're right. Anyway, Instagram.com and then Instagram.
Well, then we want Instagram.com/.dive.
Sorry, I forgot about that when I got
Forgot we're actually like making it for our
right. It's like a real thing. We've been like we've probably made like 1,000 test connections leading up to today. Like
Yeah, there were so many leftover connection images before we did a wipe, and it was There were a lot. There was like at least 30, but that didn't include ones that were like deleted beforehand.
Yeah. It's pretty nuts. So, but yeah, so now it's like we're actually doing this for real, and that means we need real URLs and stuff. So,
Yeah.
cool stuff. What other platforms do we have?
So we removed all of our link connections, so we can't reference it.
Yeah, which that's funny. We have a TikTok.
We
We
do.
can throw a TikTok in there.
Just make sure to do @.dive.
Yeah, right. That's TikTok's thing. Is it TikTok.com? It is .com. Okay.
Yeah,
Sorry, I'm not on TikTok.
It's just tiktok.com /
Um,
at whatever.
.dive. Yeah. Okay, got
Uh-huh.
it. We have Facebook.
We do have Facebook.
Yeah.
Not my favorite thing in the world, but it's helpful.
Yeah. Why not?
We're trying to be the anti-Facebook, yet we're on Instagram and Facebook.
We are on both of two meta projects. So
Right.
Yeah. Oh. I can't type. I'm like looking at the screen. It's really bad. Okay.
Horrible.
Yeah, cool. Awesome. I think Facebook probably goes above TikTok because we use it more.
Yeah. What other? I think, is that about it?
I think that's about it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so. And if we can add more stuff, we can always edit it later.
We can always edit it later. Yeah.
So you want to save it?
Heck yeah, we're saving it.
All
and
right.
There it is. And
Now,
then I
click
can-
on it. Look at
Yeah.
that.
Look at all these.
Maybe we should add a
connections.
heading or like a just like a caption or something to it. You know?
Yeah.
I don't know
okay.
what we should add to it. Like just add a little flavoring to it. Maybe a heading at the top. I don't know.
Yeah, sure. Our
Our social medias.
socials.
Not with a Z. No.
You don't like the Z? I like
RAR
it.
XD.
Okay. We could maybe just little colon there. I don't know.
I don't know. Click on the checky and let's see what it looks like.
Let's see what it looks like. Our socials?
I don't hate it.
It's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's do that.
Sweet.
For right now at least. Yeah, so like literally that's it. That's the whole thing. It's really cool.
Yep. So should we have a? Oh, you know what? Do we want to add our other, like our dive tap? Do we have a dive tap, Instagram, Twitter? Should we add those in there, or should we have a different section specifically for dive tap?
Yeah, I think we should have a separate dive tap one.
Okay, so you want to
Yeah.
make a dive tap section, and then that can also include divetap.com, Twitter dive tap, Instagram dive tap, and we haven't utilized it yet, but we do have @divetap on TikTok.
We do. Yeah.
But we haven't used it yet at all. But we can add it. Why not?
Yeah. Honestly, I just kind of want to call this dive tap.
Yeah,
and
that's-
then we can also put the dive tap like main URL in there too.
Right, that's what I was saying. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Okay.
So does
Um,
dive tap, the dive tap icon, does that both support tap.dive.fy and divetap.com? I don't remember.
Does it?
'Cause let's try just adding divetap.com because I've talked to
Yeah.
you a little bit about that. Why?
I think it just supports tap.dive if I'm not mistaken, but we can try
You
it.
did it again, Luke.
It's a really so yeah. I think it's muscle memory at this point. I don't think it's actually that bad. I think it's just me.
So you're I think
This is a really good advertisement for hydrin.
Right.
Please use hydrin. Thank you. I promise all of this stuff works. You can use the tooltips. It's just literally I'm not because I forget. I'm like, oh, I'm better than this. I built this.
so
So
let's see if the icon's
Yeah.
supported.
anyway, yeah. All right. So we'll save that and then nope. Okay, yeah. So that
So
is
I
something
guess just
we'll
do
have to add.
tap.dive.fy for now so we can get that icon.
Yeah, we'll get the icon, but for now we can do this. Okay, nice. And save it. There we go.
Sweet.
Nice. Okay. I also kind of want to add I think we have it's up here. Okay. No, I don't want to. Okay, there we go. Let's see. I'm gonna I'm gonna find a file really quick so we could just
Let's
talk
get
for a
off
sec.
of it.
But
Hey,
yeah,
we're
sweet.
back here.
We're back here.
Oh, did they sync up again? Oh, no, not really. They're close.
Oh yeah, we've been tracking the lights because yeah, they
They desync for some reason.
really do.
It's
kinda
kind
sad.
of weird.
It is kind of weird, and I don't particularly appreciate it, but
Yeah, it's like who? Yeah. Who?
yeah.
Just who?
Just who? Honestly, who?
Yep. Why when I put in Instagram.com on my computer, it shows the PHP my admin logo? That was kind of weird.
That is pretty
That was
funny,
just
though.
making sure I posted stuff on my socials about the
Yeah.
strem.
The strem. I'm finding it still. Apologies, guys. I
All
have
your
a
fault.
picture. I have a picture. I want to say I do.
Hey, Sam posted about how we're live.
Really?
Yeah, he put it on his story.
Oh shoot, that's cool.
Good job, Sam Millor.
Okay. I'm thinking actually this would be super cool. So I'm gonna make a GIF really quick.
Make a GIF.
Yeah, we can use this little tap animation.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even think about that.
Right? Wouldn't this
Is
be
Laura not
so
allowed
cool?
to show it yet?
No, yeah, don't show it yet. I
Okay.
promise it'll be worth the wait.
Alright.
Yeah, okay. So anyway, right. Yeah, we'll go down to
So, hello everybody.
hello.
I'm Ronnie.
That's a really good lower third, thank you.
And he's Luke. I thought he was gonna say his name, but he's not helpful.
I'm not helpful.
I'm Ronnie, and
clearly.
he's not helpful.
Wow, I didn't know. I'm so sorry. I didn't realize that it was a big issue for us. Apparently. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe it'd be better with the white one. To be
Oh my
honest.
gosh.
Sorry. I'm really.
He's
I
going
just,
crazy.
I'm going a little bit nuts, but I think it'll be worth it.
Will it be worth it?
That's the question.
I haven't posted. I found out that I haven't posted to Instagram in 59 weeks.
That's a lot of weeks. Like
Last time was when we were 71% funded on Kickstarter.
To be fair, I haven't posted on Instagram in like 2 years. So,
I remember when you went to, what was it, Italy for Christmas? And you posted a picture of you there.
Yeah.
I mean, it's no longer on your profile.
Yeah, my profile is blank.
Yeah, you're not even tagged in any posts.
I'm actually I am, but they don't show up because I haven't posted anything.
Really?
Yeah,
That's
it's
possible?
weird. It is possible.
Huh.
Yeah, it's
Interesting.
kind of weird. It's kind of weird.
You will only refer to Luke as not helpful. I love it. Sounds good.
Oh, cool. Thanks. I'm glad I have the support of everyone.
You do.
Yeah, it makes me feel so just warm and bubbly inside. Just like, okay. Anyway, we're back. We can go back to the feed if you want, Laura. Yeah, let me readjust that really quick. I got a file browser now, so I can do that. Nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, so then I can choose an image and we're gonna use this. Oh, I forgot to. Okay, sorry. One more time.
Can we take it off?
Sorry. So actually, I think the stream is right. I am very unhelpful. It's true. Okay. Let's do that.
And something we didn't talk about. I'll just talk about something that we didn't talk about, but you may have noticed is that there are now badges.
There are badges.
On hydrin. So obviously there was the midnight one, but there are now badges for verified users like Jacqueline. There's badges for moderators like Trevor, Laura, all the other dive staff, and then we also have our founder badges, which for us too. So that helps with verification of like who's who, if somebody's real or not. So
yeah,
looks pretty cool too.
pretty cool. I think. I think we're ready to. I promise this time it's real. I'm actually ready. Anyway, yeah. So I can select this file like so. As you can see, it's uploading right
It's
there.
a big one. Is it too big?
Oh yeah, it is too
Oh,
large.
come on.
Dang,
You
yeah.
promised.
I
We got to take it down again.
Oh man, this is crazy. Okay, so anyway, you know what? Let's just use a regular image for now.
Okay. I
I'll
knew it was
make
gonna be
it
big because we have a cap of image
Yeah.
size. So actually, with images, we resize them. So usually, whatever image you upload for a text connection will be usable. But for GIFs, we don't have the technology currently to resize them, or at least animated GIFs. So we just kind of tell you it's too large, and then you have to deal with resizing it. But there are sites out there like Easy GIF and other places where you can make GIFs more efficient, resize them, remove frames, all that stuff you want to do if you want to add them to your text connections on Hydrin.
Exactly. Yeah. It's really cool. I mean, like, using GIFs can change the game because like now you can add motion to your profile too, which is something that we have never offered before. So
Right.
nor do many platforms offer that aside from like, okay,
We're gonna
sorry.
name drop again?
I'm not gonna name drop, but I am gonna say a lot of competitors say that having a YouTube embed is a feature. That's like the easiest thing to do as a
Right.
developer. Like that's like not even hard.
We
Like,
don't offer
yeah.
that.
We
But
don't
it's
offer
not a
that.
feature.
We don't offer it because YouTube is gonna start tracking you on that website, and we don't want Hydrin to track you. So
But didn't
yeah.
we have it on when we were
Well, okay, that's for the live stream though. That's a separate thing. Yeah, like we. Okay, look, we're working on our own technology.
Okay.
But- okay. I didn't want you to. I mean, you're right. You're totally right. Give
I'm
me
just trying
a
to
little
understand
bit more
here.
time. No. It's a fair criticism, and yeah. Okay, so let me just search up. I gotta find this. I know what I'm looking for, but I don't know what I'm looking for. So yeah, it's really.
You wanna go to Just Loot Cam? I need to be right back.
Uh-oh.
I'm not dying, don't worry.
Oh, are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay, I do trust you. Okay. All right. I think we're ready. We're ready for its stream again for the computer. Yeah. Sorry. All right. We're ready. We. This is really good. Sorry. This is like the third time I've had to go back. All right. So we're just gonna use a still image for right now because apparently none of my GIFs are small enough. So I apologize for that. But it does work. I assure you, as long as you have a small enough GIF. But yeah, okay. So yeah, that's we're just gonna have this nice little tap image at the top here, which I think is pretty cool. And then we can have the link for dive tap just right there. Yeah, let's say I'm gonna say go to dive tap. Actually, I think that's probably a better use case. Cool. And then, yeah, we have a couple other things, mainly socials. So I'm going to put down here, follow, dive, tap. And then I can add in, we got some links in here. So twitter.com/dive tap and Twitter. And then I can add in a link. This is going to be instagram.com/dive tap. And then great. Do we have any other dive tap?
So you added the website.
I added the website up here.
Add the TikTok for the heck of it.
Do we have a dive tap TikTok?
You don't listen to me.
Oh,
I
man.
literally mentioned it on the stream. Can we get somebody to roll it back? Because literally I said we do have the dive tap username on TikTok, and you said yeah we do.
Okay.
You confirmed it, and now you're like, wait, we have one.
Yeah, sorry. I'm a little bit distracted.
Laura's having a blast. I can tell.
No, I can tell too. It's really good. TikTok.
TikTok on the clock.
Man, that song came out before TikTok.
Right?
That's crazy.
Does that have at dive? Added the at dive tap.
Right.
At dive, dude.
Sorry, I don't do this stuff.
I'm-
Yeah. Cool. So we got this. Anything else you could think of?
I don't think so.
Okay. We can always add stuff later.
Right, exactly.
Cool. All right. So that's
saved. I'm gonna check it out on my screen real quick to see how beautiful. Like, tap, follow, go to dive tap, follow dive tap. Love it. Looks great.
Sweet.
TikTok by Kesha still slaps. Indeed. It really does. Doesn't it?
Yeah. I mean, there's the early 2000s. Early 2000s was okay, but 2010s music.
That's where it's at.
Yeah, that is where it's at. I'm sorry. Like it still hits different. Can't even say otherwise. Yeah. So anyway, this is cool. Got all that. So yeah, and then let's
we could add a support section.
We should add a support.
Well, we can just do a link, right?
We could just do a link. Why
And
not
reference
just do a
people
link?
to the support page.
Yeah. We got a new dive support. And then so
dive.fly/support, and that should have the dive icon too, right?
it does have the dive icon. Yeah. So that's super cool. And that's all we got to do. And it adds that. And then I mean, you think this is a good segue to talk about dive support?
Sure.
Okay.
Should we? So are we? First off, the question is, are we done with the profile or?
Do we have anything else? Well, we should probably add hydrin. At least a hydrin link too. We had it before.
Hydrin link for?
I mean, just a link to hydrin.
Oh, just a link to hydrin.
Yeah.
So should we say our services, or no? We already have dive tap though. Yeah, I guess we could add just a hydrin link.
Yeah.
Hydrin, this site.
Oh, you know what? Here's something we could show too, which is brand new.
Everything
so-
is brand new.
Yeah. Well, this is something we did. This did work. Like this is okay. Anyway, so you can add longer. Let's just say I want this to be hydrin,
think
like
so.
that. Anyway, yeah, and then so I can go like that, and you'll notice that it's cut off here. But now if I hover over it,
yes.
we have a marquee feature. Yeah, sorry, it kind of blocks that.
Oh, look at that! I found a bug.
Yeah,
It's
I think
one
it's a
pixel.
I think if I just move the pixels over a little bit, it'll fix. Yeah, there we go. Oh no, never mind. Okay, it's still broken. It's all right. All right, it's one pixel.
It's one. It's an obvious pixel.
Pixels are a problem, okay?
What if we
Pixels
just
are a big
cancel
issue.
pixels?
What if can we get a cancellation on pixels? So anyway.
So
but,
okay, maybe change
yeah,
that back.
let's not do every hydrin.
And that should. I think that's it. Is that it?
Yep. If we don't have, I mean, yeah, we have all the social media. I mean, yeah, we might add like some other cool like projects or something. I don't know,
Right,
but
in the
yeah,
future, but for
right
now-
now, that
Yeah.
looks
So
good.
Laura, if you wanna pop over to my screen, I can show off the support stuff.
Yeah, that'll do. Okay. Nice.
All right. So now when you go into account settings, you will see this help page, this help icon. And so this will bring you to the support page. It's taking a minute to load. And there we go with Luke's face.
It is my face.
It
I
is.
apologize. You shouldn't have to.
Why
be
am I not
subjected
in
to
the
that.
thumbnail?
I don't, were you in the tutorial video?
Why wasn't I?
I don't know. Did you want to be?
Sure.
Let the record show I was not aware that Ronnie wanted to be in this tutorial video.
You didn't ask me.
I'm sorry.
You're
I
just
didn't-
like, oh yeah, we recorded it like last night.
Yeah. This happened.
It did. Anyways, so we have a full-length video, which I'm gonna keep muted. But this is a full. Oh, I guess we can change that quality. 4K.
Yeah, we gotta do 4K.
See, look. Oh, look at that. Can we get another lower third just like that? Well, we have like a lower third that's very similar to that.
Yeah.
Luke, I'm not Luke.
You are now. Maybe that's
Now
why
you
I
have two
didn't.
on.
No, Ronnie, that's why I didn't want you to, or I didn't ask for you to be part of the thing, is because I just thought you were me. So I was like, oh yeah. So that's okay. Sorry, I was a
Yeah.
little bit confused. I guess I didn't
Anyways,
realize. Yeah.
yeah. So it's a 15-minute video, and at the end, I think you said you expected it to be like a 5-minute video.
I did.
Like this stream, I thought we were like we were pretty sure we were not gonna have much to talk about. It's already been an hour and a half.
Has it really?
It has been an hour and a half
How?
already.
That's crazy.
So anyway, so there's this whole tutorial video, but if you don't have time to watch it, I'll get to the bottom later. But here's all of our support stuff. So if you need direct help from us, we have our Twitter. You can join our Discord, email us, and we even have a phone number if you want to text us. We don't really answer calls, but if you want to text us, there you go.
Yeah.
And so now the hydrin helps. So if you don't want to watch that full 15-minute video, I understand. I don't want to either. I literally have not watched the full thing yet because
I know.
I don't need to watch it. Well, I do need to watch it, but anyways.
There are tears streaming down my face. You can't even. No, you can't do this. Sorry, continue.
All right, so there's like editing your profile, share, connect, you like all the basic stuff you need. So there's video tutorials and text beneath it. So let's say I'm gonna try something. So what if I did picture, change the color and theme of your profile? What if I did image?
Yeah.
Change or remove your profile image. There we go. So I can full screen this and then I can watch this. And there's no audio that goes to these, do they? Is there?
No, there's no.
Okay, so yeah, if I just watch this, you see, you just click on that. I just realized you can't see the full screen. Hold on, might be. Here.
Yeah.
So you can't see the full. It's really small now, but you can see it's like here. Tap over here, then it's gonna say, hey, click on the replace image thing, and then you select it, and then you click on the check mark.
Exactly.
And then it uploads, and now it's going through the shape as well.
Mm-hmm.
You can. So that's how you change your shape. And that closes it and shows that you now have your new profile picture and in a pentagon. And so yep, so there's that, and then there's this text tutorial as well if you want to read up about it. That's dive support. Kind of cool. It's really freaking cool. And there's like we showed, there's a search bar here. You can just literally search any of these without having to scroll through them all.
Yeah, there is a lot of. It's pretty much any single action you could possibly take on Hydrin.
You have
like
suspend your own account, but do you have delete your own account?
We do have delete account. I think
Oh,
if you
there we
search
go.
delete, yeah, it's the ordering gets a little bit janky, so you can
Search anyway.
Yeah, you can search. Just search
Right.
it. Search is easier.
Exactly.
Unless you like just want to watch every single one, just you want to be
Then
a
just watch the
Hydrin
full
pro.
video. That's
Yeah,
that
at that point, I think that is what you do. So yeah, use the search bar. You can also there is a tab too, but we don't have the like deconstructed tutorials yet.
yeah, so it's just basic contact information, and then also
you can watch the main tab
how
tutorial.
to use dive tap.
Yep.
And this is a vertical. This is a vertical video too.
It is a vertical video. Yeah.
So
we
is this
expect
one in
most-
1080? Oh, this one. The other one's in 4K. This one's in 1080. Come on.
Yeah, I think it's because like the screenshot like capabilities of my phone. But yeah, that's
Yeah.
okay. That's okay.
I don't think we need to be there anymore. So
I don't think so.
this is my hydrin profile, and I'm gonna change it up a bit. And I guess Luke probably has more to do to his than I have to do to mine. But yeah, like there's my link, and let's go through it. So first I guess I'll go from top to bottom, honestly. So I like my profile picture. This is my profile picture on like all of my socials. So I'm gonna keep it this way, but I do want to change the shape. So you can see there is the preview here of your profile picture in the shape. And really, I've tried most of them. Okay, fun fact, for the moon, I specifically told Luke to make it because for Laura's profile picture. It's true. It's a true story. Isn't it?
No, it's a true story. Yeah.
Exactly. So if there's a shape that you really want and a lot of people also want it, there's a good chance that we can add that shape because in theory, we could add so many more shapes. Right now, these are just the ones that we have, but that doesn't mean we won't add more in the future.
Yeah.
So, look through a lot of these. And I think the blob is my favorite. Is that the technical term?
That's the blob. Yeah.
Yep. So I
It's
think
just
I
called
really
the
like
blob.
the blob because it sort of just looks like I'm coming out of the profile. So if I get out of the edit, I like how that looks. It fits well with my profile picture, and my head stays in the whole thing. So I'm gonna stick with the blob. I like dark mode. Let me see if there's a better color that it suggests. So we can generate from my profile image, and here are some suggested colors. So this is like almost dive red. This is a pink. This is like, what is this? Is this skin?
I think that's skin tone. Yeah.
And then these two are hair. I just realized my laptop brightness is not high enough. That's a little bright now. Anyways, so do I don't know. That is kind of weird. I might just keep mine the same. Or I could grab dive red.
You're not a big fan of the choices you have here.
I could do skin. You had skin color for a
I
while.
had skin color. Yeah. I mean, you could always like pick a color and then like refine it too with the color picker.
True.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm feeling more gray, I think. Maybe not necessarily black. I don't know. It's tough. I guess I can go with this one for right now, the reddish.
Yeah.
Cause then also with red, it adjusts the color of my badge, so now it's more of a pinkish than a grayish.
Mm-hmm.
So
Also the connections when you hover over them, the colors are like responding to
Yeah.
the colors that you choose. Yeah.
so for this, I used to have this bullet point here because there was no bullet point, and I don't know if I like the bullet point with founder bullet point, 19 bullet point.
Yeah.
It seems a little repetitive, so I don't know. Should I keep my age in there, or what do you think?
I don't know. That's
I
It's
am
a
gonna
tough
keep the
call.
bullet point here for dot dive, or should I do hydrants? No, I'll just do dot dive.
Yeah.
I'll keep it like that.
Sure.
What do you think?
Let me check out your profile on my computer. I'm curious. Okay. So yeah, you got you definitely
It's tough.
it's tough. I mean, I like what you got here. Do you sometimes stream on Twitch though? This is the real question.
We are streaming on YouTube right now.
Right.
I sometimes, not very often, but I sometimes do.
Okay. Do you think it's do you think that Twitch is more important than Fiverr
So
though?
you're telling me that I should redefine my entire bio format for all of my platforms? 'Cause this
That
is
is
the
what I'm
exact
saying.
bio I have for everywhere, which means I would need to change it everywhere too.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying.
So
Go ahead
I
and
think
do
you're
that.
wrong.
Oh.
I think I'll refine it in the future, but something I did think about last night while we were finishing up is that except for like my main social platforms like YouTube, like the content creation platforms like YouTube and Twitch, I don't have my display name as Zippytron anywhere else. So I really do think, especially since my name is nowhere else on my profile, I think I'm
Yeah.
going to switch my display name to Ronnie Grover instead of Zippytron,
Yeah,
so people know that it's me.
that makes sense.
I think I'm gonna keep the bio the same. Display name, I wanted to update that. And now we're on here. So, oh gosh,
That's daunting.
I have a lot of connections here.
You do.
So I don't know if the thing is, with you have a lot of graphic design stuff that you could utilize text connections for. And really the only text connection that I have, and I think I need, is email. Because that's just my email.
Yeah.
Like I don't know what else I would. Do you have any insight from either of you?
Oh man. I mean, I don't. You probably don't have any like images.
I don't have any on hand either. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I would wager like what is it? It would be cool to show some of the Fiverr stuff
Yes.
you're doing, but
yeah, like I don't have anything.
you don't got
ready
anything.
either.
Yeah.
So
Mm,
unfortunately, I think I'm gonna keep all of my text connections just how they are right, or all of my connections period, how they are right now. But I changed my shape, I changed my color, I changed my display name. Let's see, anything in settings. I don't think there's anything else I really need. No, I think that's it. I think yours is gonna be a lot more exciting than mine.
Yeah.
So if we want, are you ready?
Yeah. I can pull up my profile. I'm already logged in, so that with that.
Gotta wait
Yeah.
for Laura to break your display.
Let's wait for Laura to break my computer. Just the whole thing. Macs are bad at monitors. Cool. Awesome. Yeah, this is my profile. Gonna be honest, I'm a little upset that I lost all of the text connections that I made.
Because you made a lot for
I
testing.
made a lot of, yeah. Anyway, yeah, I had a whole like food one, which was fun.
You could add. We had food last night. We had Thai food.
We did.
You could add that picture.
I could add that picture. Yeah, I think I have.
So you're
some
saying
around.
instead of posting to Instagram, since you have 0 Instagram presence right now, you could post all of your food stuff on Hydrin.
Yeah. You know what? Actually,
Dude, that's what I was thinking.
yeah, I'm thinking. Okay, here's my thought process.
Oh, this is one I was thinking.
What if I do it on my phone to show the power of Hydrin on mobile?
Do you want to pull out the iPhone though for that?
I could
Would that be better?
Yeah, sure.
Is there an
Okay.
easy way that you can pull up your iPhone on the MacBook? That's the thing.
We can figure it out. You guys, I don't know the way.
What if you just did like the mobile, like you can fake mobile
fake mobile
in browser?
Yeah,
I think we'll just do that.
Well, the problem is I have photos on my phone that I need to. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to use my phone. Yeah,
that's what you're trying to do.
So I think I can just kind of like, if it's cool with you guys, if it's all the same, and this
I
is
don't know
awful.
if it is.
I don't think it is all the same, but
I don't know if it's still a thing, but what I can do is I can try to download. A while ago, there was this app called Lonely Screen for Windows, and essentially, I don't think it's a virus. I literally don't know.
think that's terrible. But anyway, it does work.
Anyways, there's only a free trial, and we'll see if it works. Anyways, it makes your computer an AirPlay device.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to it's on that phone though.
It's on my phone.
That's right. Dang it. You're so. Do you have Visor or something on there?
I don't have Visor.
You uninstalled Visor?
I uninstalled Visor. I wasn't even thinking about it. Okay. Here's a test. Yeah, let's go back to Ronnie for a second. I'm gonna pull this up. So give me 1 second.
Okay. All right. Seems like Luke is having a fun time. Jeez, we were not thinking this through. So, do you want to use the iPhone? That's my question. Are you going to use the iPhone and just?
I think that's the best course of
Okay,
action.
so I'll install this app on my computer so that we can mirror it from the iPhone to here. Or can you just do it straight to the MacBook?
I was just thinking straight.
You
from
can
the
do
MacBook.
that?
I mean, I can.
You can do it right now, like.
Yeah, the problem is still the photos are on my phone.
So
So
then just like move them.
no, I can. It's just gonna take longer. But no, it's good. I'll do it.
Okay, I didn't know that you could AirPlay from your or whatever from the iPhone to the MacBook. I didn't know that was a feature.
I think it's just QuickTime.
You think QuickTime has that?
I believe so, but we're gonna find out. This is the fun thing. Like, we literally said we're better than Apple at their own keynote game, in the thumbnail.
And now we're using Apple
now we're
stuff.
using Apple stuff.
I'm gonna
Also-
download this just in case.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they prepare things ahead. Can we get off my computer for? Yeah. Yeah, just computer in general.
There we go.
It's cool. Okay, so.
Well, I guess if you need a couple minutes, Luke.
Yeah.
For
probably
people
will.
who were not here at the beginning of the stream, we could play them the Hydrin commercial.
We could
If
play
we
them.
mute our mics, stop the music, we can show them the Hydrin commercial, which is also live on our YouTube channel right now. But let's see Jonathan's journey through him finding a career on Hydrin.
Yeah,
Let's do this.
Jonathan is busy with his newest culinary masterpiece, Dinosaur sculpted chicken nuggets. A delectable cascade of ranch dressing fuses with the breading. He captures the dish with his smartphone and compliments the craftsmanship of the Easy Meal Corporation for their exemplary frozen chicken recipe. He opens his hydrin profile to share his thoughts with the world. This dish was an 8 out of 10, solely reduced because of the horrible package design. Having to open the box was an abominable experience. He's watching an award-winning film on his smartphone. Unfortunately for Jonathan, it failed to keep his interest from more important endeavours. That was definitely going in the review. After all, the best critics do not need to watch the entirety of a film to determine its value. It's a 6 out of 10 according to the hottest new film critic, Jonathan. Could have had more violence, but the popcorn was truly quite delicious. With a newfound perspective, Jonathan tries his hand at an original film. Despite the incompetence of his crew, he finds a way to single-handedly pull everything together in the end. After all, he is a soon-to-be award-winning director. How hard could it possibly be to create a blockbuster of his own? If it wasn't for his hydrin profile, no one would know what an excellent filmmaker, and dare he say, team player he was. Perhaps he wants to be a birdwatcher. With hydrin, he is, and he quotes, easily the best one there is. What his shots lack in actual birds, they make up for in a tasteful composition. Jonathan has a true and deep appreciation for nature. Professional workout influencer? For Jonathan, it's all too easy to be confident in his ingenious strategies. Innovative, disruptive, trailblazing, radical. He'll even convince the world that he's the best NFT artist. Touting a massive collection of jaw-dropping work on his hydrin profile, nobody has to be aware that he doesn't actually know how to make an NFT. With hydrin, it was almost too easy to create a professional presence online. What role could he aspire to be next? Nuclear physicist? You can follow in Jonathan's footsteps for free at hydr.in.
And that was Jonathan's story.
It's pretty
Oh
cool.
my gosh, I love watching that every time. That
It's
voice
inspiring.
that voiceover you guy did
Oh.
a really good job.
Yeah, shout out to that guy on Fiverr who got to voiceover.
Right.
Good stuff.
And if you guys want to watch that at any time, you can watch that currently on our YouTube channel. That is live. It
Exactly.
went live when we went live.
Yep. You can also watch the tutorial video, but
Straight from the YouTube channel as
Yeah,
well.
straight
If you
from
don't want to go to dive.fly/support.
Yep. Yeah, so we're getting real close here, guys. Real close. I just gotta transfer files, so it's fun. We didn't prepare an Apple style demo, so I apologize.
You didn't.
I also realized I gotta do this. It's pretty lame. There we go.
Yep.
Okay.
Make sure to
So
log in first too.
yeah, yep. I am doing.
But I'm Ronnie.
We're back.
And
That's
he's
so
still
cool.
useless.
Good, thank you.
I told you should have been able to edit them.
It's just like cross it. Yeah, exactly. This is your fault,
right?
Laura, honestly. That's what I'm hearing. Okay. Alright, that's good. Files are transferring. Should be done any minute now.
Cool.
And then I also got to I'm just gonna have to like type in the URL like one by one, which should be fun. So yeah, we're gonna have a blast here.
Oh, because you're not logged into like email or not even Discord on the iPhone?
You know, Discord actually
'Cause if you send
might-
it to me, you can just click on the.
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a great idea. I do have Discord.
Light mode Discord growth. Yeah, guys, Hydrin. That's the thing we're working on.
Yeah, guys.
We
I'm
did.
not logged in.
Log in.
I don't remember my password.
What do you mean?
I gotta go through my. Okay, anyway. I have security. This is a thing.
Security is
Don't try to hack
bad.
me. Anyway.
At least you have 2FA.
Yeah. Okay, let's see here.
Divetap.com. Divetap is cool. You want to switch to my desktop?
I'm gonna
Dive-
demo dive tab.
Oh, I'm trying to. Laura broke my screen. Dude, I did.
It is
All right.
true.
I'm not ready. I have to remember me. Hold on. Can I not go to index? I cannot. Okay, you can show my screen. So this is DiveTap. Our cool product, divetap.com. Shop is currently down for updates, but look at these beautiful custom faces I have in my DiveTap stuff. It's actually really freaking cool. What's my file current? Hold on. Need to get off of the desktop just in case. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can show this. We've got fish flops.
Fish flops.
That is my file of choice to share.
Oh man, I forgot about fish flops.
Yep. So it's JPEG over 10. It's 10 megabytes, almost 11 megabytes of fish flops.
Yeah, I mean that's the only use of fish flops. Honestly, is just large file sizes. Okay.
It's quite good. Oops, I don't know what this one is, so I'm not gonna click on it. But yeah, like this one, I also Luke gave me an NFC chip, which is like it's a little disc that I have on my keychain. So that's why it's called Sunrise/keychain, because it's also on my keychain. And it's really cool. There's so much you can do with DiveTap, and we are gonna be doing some updates now to DiveTap now that we're actually done with the hydrin update. And yeah, so just some little tweaks and changes. I don't think it'll be a full overhaul. Hopefully it won't be a full overhaul like we did with the hydrin update.
Yeah.
But we know that there's some issues, specifically on iOS 2. Because iOS is just bad.
iOS is bad.
So we made the decision that you're no longer you're gonna like delete your Instagram account. Instead, you're gonna post all of your food pics on hydrin.
Right. No, I think that's the only move. That's literally all we got.
Yeah.
Like that's it.
I got a notification on Discord if you want to hide it, please. Laura. I wonder who's messaging. I'm curious. Oh, that was Luke. Luke messaged me. Come on, man. I was so excited. I thought somebody messaged in the stream chat. It was just you.
Yeah, they were like, "Hey guys, I'm checking out your stream. It's really cool." But no, instead we just got. Okay, I literally have to do this one at a time. Thank you, iPhone. Thank you.
You can unzip on iOS.
You can?
Yeah, I checked on iPadOS and you can.
I think iPadOS and iOS are two different things.
They are two different things.
Yeah.
But if the iPad can do it, surely the iPhone can.
I don't think that's the rule. But I like your confidence.
Because we did it the other day. Or we found out that you could. Let's see. Can iOS unzip files? If you want to open a zip file on your iPhone or iPod Touch, open the Files app, find the zip file, and find the one you want to uncompress. It is possible.
All right. Well, that's really cool. But
you just manually downloaded every single one.
I don't even know where the zip went.
Oh, you did download the zip?
It did download. Yeah, but I don't know where it went.
Finished downloading?
This is why, like, I don't know. I wasn't built to use iOS, and also I don't very often. So this is let's try this again. Why not? Let's do
Download
this.
has started.
Yeah.
But where? It doesn't show.
It doesn't show, which is like really bad. So
wait, it's loading at the top.
Yeah, it's loading at the top, and then it'll get to the file, and then I can hit
Open files.
Save to files. I'm assuming on my phone. Okay. That's not a there's not like just
Can
a
you just do
regular
save
place.
now?
That's a really
Top right, you see save.
well, I think that's I'm selecting the location though, right?
Right.
Okay. Well, let's try that.
Let's see.
What's the worst that could happen, right?
Well, you're in your iCloud drive right now.
Yeah.
On my iPhone.
Yeah,
There
it
you
is.
go. Look at that!
Nice. We
You
literally
didn't believe me that you could unzip.
I believed you every step of the way.
You thought iPhone was trash. I mean, they are, but
Oh, jeez. Okay, are we just accepting that right now? Okay, cool. So I'm almost ready, Laura, to run
Almost.
back. Yeah.
So should we switch it back?
All right. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good to go.
All right, let's run it.
All right. Let's see. I'll try to adjust it so it's like centered. Oh, actually, that's not bad. That's like centered as far as I'm concerned. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. All right. I go to my profile. It's gonna be really cool. And yeah, I'm just gonna make a new thing called see here. Okay. Make a new text connection. I'm just gonna call this food
Food good.
photography. Whoa, that's crazy. And then you can go over here to add, and I'm gonna add image.
Okay, I don't know why, but this Jeff Pulls Apple called me again. This is the second time he's called me.
This is the second time?
Yeah, and he's like a T-Mobile verified number. So it automatically put his name in my phone, or like it automatically shows his name, and it's like I don't know who this guy is, and that seems like the fakest name ever too.
What should be a real person like Ronnie?
I'm sure it's a real. Like the scary thing is, it's probably a real person.
Yeah. That is probably the scariest part. Anyway, yeah. All right. I'm just adding images. Sorry. But anyway, so. Yeah, as you can see, these are some super high quality images.
Some tasty images.
Yeah, they take some time. But we're just gonna keep going. We're just gonna keep doing it. Nope, I don't want to take a picture. Thank you.
Why not? We just show the power.
This is the power.
Oh yeah, do the.
Can we do parallax? Yeah, there we go. That's it. Break the stream. All right, nice.
Yeah.
Cancel.
Wait, no.
Oh,
you can show what we got going on in here.
I am being told by my my manager that I should show you guys around. So anyway, let's see here. Let's see what we got. So yeah, this is the main camera. This is the camera that's pointing at me. This is Laura.
I thought you didn't want to be on the stream.
Yeah, I thought you didn't want to be on stream. I literally, that's what she said. That's what she said. Okay, so anyway, this is Ronnie's camera.
Yep.
Pretty sick. We got an
old dive mug.
Yeah, it's a really nice.
You're showing on. I mean, I have nothing sensitive on the screen. I just have the YouTube chat up.
Yeah. Anyway, this is great. This is really good. I got my drive here, phone over here.
Did you show all the fancy lights too?
Yeah, we got some soft boxes up in the air, and then we also have these pointed at each.
We got the computer down there.
Ronnie's computer that doesn't really look like a computer because it's not in a case. So it's literally computer parts. It's this.
Can the mic hear you? You're not even talking into the mic.
I'm not. Laura, can I get a confirmation? Okay, cool. Anyway, yeah, and then cable management hell. So but yeah, so this is why we're saying destroying our house.
Yeah, and nobody's watching, which is truly disappointing.
It is very disappointing.
But you know what?
Hey, you didn't have to say that.
We're having fun.
This could like be years later, and people are like, "Man, what a bunch of jokes these dive people are! Holy crap!" Like,
right.
Anyway, but yeah, all right, we're done. We're done with the live feed. All right. Yeah, let's choose some more files, right? So this was like a burger I had somewhere. It had tater tots.
Yeah, do you have your Thai food in there? Did you add it?
Oh yeah, I do. It's in the
Perfect,
list. Yeah.
perfect.
Anyway, there's some mac and cheese. There's this place called Mission Barbecue, close by to where we are.
Close by to where we are.
Yeah, Detroit area. Nondescript. Okay. Yeah, there's another picture. That's a burger. Mac and cheese.
You like burgers, don't you?
I mean, yeah, I like red meat. It's pretty good, but also it's bad, so I should
It's
stop.
pretty good, but it's bad.
Yeah, it's like, well, it's bad for me, which is that's the issue. Okay. Anyway, yeah, this is a fun one. Look at this. So we got this was I was like concocting some stuff like at probably like 12 or something, like midnight. It's like I made a custom sauce. It was like it was relish mixed with ranch dressing mixed with some buffalo sauce.
Didn't you tell me like you made like a buffalo sauce quesadilla once?
I have made a buffalo sauce
Like, that was
quesadilla
it.
before. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, this is you know, some slightly toasted bread, a little bit of romaine lettuce. We got, you know, I think there was like some pepper jack cheese mixed with some fried chicken. So
You've also
yeah.
got a garden growing in your room.
I do have a garden growing in my room. I don't have a picture of that, but yeah, click and grow. So far been doing pretty well. So yeah, we got that. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, this was like this place called Dave's Hot Chicken, and it's some very good hot chicken. Yeah.
I don't think you're adding enough images.
No, definitely.
You're really
not.
testing the system right now.
Oh, we are really testing. We're putting it through its paces. It needs to be able to do this for hundreds of
Right.
people at once.
Exactly.
Anyway,
So
maybe
let's-
thousands. This is for my birthday. I got some sushi.
So like a few days ago, birthday.
A couple days
Wow.
ago. Yeah. Yeah, pretty good. And then let's see what else. Oh, this is I don't have a picture of the garden, but I do have a picture of a salad I made with the stuff from
With the garden.
So yeah, that's fun. Yeah, I'm really running into my limit here really quick. Okay, anyway, we're gonna go straight to the Thai food. So yeah,
Dude, it was
this is
so
some
good.
Thai food. Also knee, but mainly Thai food. So yeah, this we had this last night.
It was
while we were
good.
working on finishing up hydrin.
That was some good food. I really want to go back, but I have other plans for food after.
Food after? We're getting food after?
We barely had breakfast. You had
I didn't
two
even know.
pieces of toast.
I didn't even know we were getting food after. I just want to point out. I was just yeah, I'm excited about that now.
All
not
you
like-
literally had today was 2 pieces of toast.
I did have 2 pieces of toast. Yeah, it's like yeah, that's really
2
bad.
o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock. That's great. Anyway, I think this one deserves top priority.
Yeah, so
I'm
move it to
gonna
the top.
Yeah, let's go. This might take a
It'll take
minute.
a while.
We're getting there. We're definitely getting there. Definitely getting there. Definitely getting
I
there.
like the look at the camera.
Definitely getting there. There it is. Look at that. Drop it right there. Okay. Cool. So yeah, I did add a title. Sometimes I forget to do that. Kind of an issue. It's a character flaw on my part. So I can just hit the check mark there. And would you look at
I'm
that?
gonna see if I can pull it up on my computer. Food photography, dude.
Yeah. Yeah. Can we
Wait.
can we get a feed to Ron's
Was
computer?
it this zoomed in when you took it, or like?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Oh, you kind of just.
It's okay.
It's
It's
fine.
okay. Hey,
It's
look,
fine.
we've been streaming for 2 hours.
been a long
Things are
time.
bound to break.
So
down.
you got you got chicken, right?
I did get chicken. It's like a chicken fried rice.
It was so freaking good. We
Yeah.
both got medium. I got beef though.
Mm-hmm.
And this looks so good because these images are 700 pixels wide.
They are. Yeah.
Like even though the resolution, I mean the resolution's good, but even though it's not like the largest, you can still see the details.
Oh, you definitely can. It's great.
Amazing. Like the chicken specifically.
Yeah. Yeah.
Seeing the details in those chickens.
Look at the detail in those chickens, though.
Yeah. Let's connect.
Yeah.
Hi at Luke.media.
Oh yeah, I should also probably talk about that. The so basically the way copying works now is as long as you have only one text element in your connection, then it will become copyable. So the user can just click on that and then
Yep.
yeah. So that's how it works.
So yeah, so like if you had a phone number, if you had an email, that's still copyable.
Mhm.
But if
Yeah.
you add something larger, well,
Like
this is a
this.
bad example because
It's a
there's
bad
no
example,
text,
but
but
Mhm.
then it wouldn't be.
Yeah, yeah. So I mean, we could go back. I could show how to edit a connection because we haven't really done
On mobile?
Yeah, on mobile. Why
Alright,
not?
let's do that.
Yeah. Good practices, Laura. Good practices. Oh. Yeah. It's okay. We're doing well. Look at that. We're back. We're back over to the iPhone. This is
Also,
an
the iPhone says it's 9:41 a.m.
I think I was testing time zones. I just forgot to change it
Like
back.
that's not even close. It's not even connected. It's
not even
It's not even.
remotely.
It's like, how do you get 41 when it's 03?
I don't know. So it's broke. Yeah, I guess you could do cut. I don't know why I would do cut. Oh no. Sorry. That's my bad.
Maybe turn off auto rotate.
Yeah, I don't want to. Okay, let's see here.
Oh, it's
Oh,
there.
there. Yeah, it's that one. Sorry, I don't use iPhone that often. This is the one and only dive test iPhone.
It
We
is.
don't have
It's very
another one.
true.
It's also the cheapest one Apple makes, so that should probably say something.
Yeah.
It's still like, I gotta say though, it is fast. It probably loads Hydrin better than any platform just because it's so fast. But yeah, Apple Silicon's great. Sorry, I'm gonna stop advertising Apple.
Yeah.
yeah.
They're
so
not paying us.
they're not paying us.
If they
to
do
this.
pay us though,
Yeah.
imagine an Apple profile picture shape.
Oh,
That would be neat. But
I
Apple would
hear
have to
ya.
pay us to do that.
yeah. Apple, hit us up. We're fine with that. We could definitely do it. Just like
I know people would love it too. We have so many Apple not freaks. Freaks is Apple Apple fans,
fanatics. Yeah.
Apple fanatics that like our stuff.
Yeah.
So that would be cool.
Apple freaks. Sorry. I found it funny, but yeah. Anyway, but no, yeah. People who are really like Apple, this is what they're for. Yeah. So Apple, hit us up. Yeah. So anyway, I can just tap on this to edit it really quick. And then yeah, it works the same way. Like the thing with text connections is you only are able to edit the title on this section because like there's no URL, right? But yeah, if I apparently I added a space to it originally, so that's my bad. But yeah, so yeah, let's say, well, first of all, let's see how many people clicked on it.
Two unique clicks?
Two unique clicks because I clicked on it.
you clicked on
and
it
you
too?
clicked on
Okay.
it. Oh man, that's crazy.
Wait,
yeah.
this is your food photography one?
This is the food
I'm
photography.
gonna click on it again. I just clicked on it again.
Okay, you want me to update it?
Yeah.
Fine, I'll up.
Look, you just covered it up. Well,
Yeah, actually, yeah, I don't know if anybody. I know. I get it. Yeah. So anyway, so content though. So I can go back over here and then like, so it works the same way as adding a connection, but yeah, I can like use delete mode. So hold for tooltip. That's something that all dive services have. but
I don't think a
hopefully
lot of people know about it though.
yeah, I mean, hopefully it's clear though when there's something that flashes like that you're supposed to hold down on it. Cause yeah, I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see if it is.
Yeah.
Anyway, we might have to change stuff. Changes are it's part of the development process, you know.
How much you guys hate it.
Yeah. See how bad my programming is and my design sense.
Oh, that's weird. I'm looking at the scroll bar and how it turns transparent, so there's just like a notch.
Oh yeah, it just turns the color that the
Right, so
user
it's like a
selects.
notch instead of a scroll bar.
Yeah,
Interesting.
kind of interesting.
You can't see it, but
Yeah, it's okay.
I don't care.
We could show them. Hey, you know what? I worked a lot on that scroll bar, so let's show the scroll bar. Mm-hmm.
We're just gonna show you all. Scroll bar on my screen. Oh, don't mind my hair. Oh, what the heck is going on here? Am I good now? Do I look great? Okay,
I think
great.
you look awesome.
Thanks.
Mhm.
All right, so when I'm scrolling, you see that white scroll bar on the right. It looks great, but then if I hold down on it, look, it just like notchifies it.
Notchifies the scroll
So
bar.
let's look at the salad. Wait, can I? Is there a way to middle click? Wait, what? I can use three fingers to bring up the start menu instead of pressing the Windows key. That's
Man,
cool.
we're learning so much about software today.
How does one middle click on? 'Cause I want to do like the smooth scroll. Anyways, not smooth scroll, but Anyway, like how when you like middle click and then you can like move your mouse up and down to scroll up and down.
Right.
That's what I wanted to do. But like, yeah, it works.
Wow.
It does. It's a great scroll bar. I don't think it could look any better.
I really don't
Can we
think
check
so.
out Luke's LinkedIn profile?
Do you want to look at my LinkedIn?
Let's look at it.
Okay, I guess so.
67 connections. No profile picture.
I don't think that's true. I think LinkedIn is broken.
I don't know. Dude, crazy. I'm sorry. This is just we gotta find out everything about Luke. So if you want to see his LinkedIn, go to hydrin/Luke. You lower third.
Bring it on down to hydrin/Luke.
But that's not me. Let's see Luke's face so people know that it's him and not me.
Oh right.
Because it's not me. We're just having fun now.
Yeah. Aren't we? This has been the
Is there
mood.
anything else? We've covered so much stuff.
I think we really have though.
We've covered so much stuff. We've covered almost everything about this update.
It's
I'm so glad it's out today.
it feels good to have that done.
Yeah, so if magically anybody's watching, I don't think one person is tuned in Discord. But if magically anybody's watching, feel free, ask us some questions if you want to know how difficult it was to develop.
Yeah, we wanna be praised. Let the record
We
show.
want to be questioned.
We want to be questioned, but the questions like rely on us saying impressive things.
Right.
So yeah.
Exactly. Thank you for this. I have a buy me a coffee, but I have like no content on here. I did Minecraft doors. Don't judge me. I have no reason to have this.
You do have a BMAC though. Huh.
And I have a Bedrock, $100 per month. Nobody wants to give me $100 a month. Kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Who wouldn't?
Shout out. Okay, real quick. Shout out to Buy Me a Coffee though. I know technically like they have a competitive service to Hydrin now, but of all the services that we've added support for, Buy Me a Coffee is the only one that reached out and actually offered like their own assets and
Oh,
stuff.
that was Buy Me a Coffee?
That was Buy Me a Coffee. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like it's difficult because it's like, oh man, like they also have bio.link, but I'm not sure if they're making money off of bio.link because it is free. So
yeah, I don't
anyway.
know.
Yeah, no, Buy Me a Coffee is great. Thank you guys for.
I wouldn't
actually
share my
just-
I wouldn't show my screen.
Yeah. Mhm.
Just Luke. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I mean like yeah, appreciate you guys actually respecting us as a company. So
Right, we are a
that means lot.
company.
We are indeed a company. Yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, appreciate it. But
Yeah, bio.link is 100% free as well.
yeah, so
Luke is in the corner of my camera. Anyways, yeah, I mean, good for them because really,
hard to find.
yeah, like, it's like why pay for something so essential nowadays? Because with so many social media platforms and websites and stuff that people want to send you to, like,
It is really important. to have
limiting
it.
people
Yeah.
to one link in their profile
Mhm.
is just, it feels unacceptable. Like everywhere has it though. TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, one link in your profile. So you're
Right.
forced to use.
You literally got to use it.
You have to use something if it's a link tree or a hydrin or whatever.
Yeah.
But hopefully you choose us.
Hopefully you choose us because we have the most features and it's free and we
100%
care about
free.
privacy and there's so many cool things.
Right, we're not gonna
Yeah.
sell your data.
Mhm.
Much as we want to. Kidding.
Yeah. Is that true?
No, it's not true at all. I'll say I was being it was
Yeah.
very much a joke.
It was
We don't want any of your data. We don't want it. That's the thing. It's like some companies might like want it and not do it, or
Yeah.
well, everybody does. But
Everybody does.
we don't. We literally don't want your data. That's the crazy thing. It's like we
Yeah.
don't. We don't care who you are. We just care if you have a good experience or not.
Or not, but hopefully you do.
Right, exactly. Is there anything else we should do, say?
Yeah, shout out to Jonathan.
Jonathan
Slash our actor friend Colin, who helped, bring Hydrin to life in a personified character. Jonathan.
Let's see. I'm gonna check out my subscription feed to see.
Yeah.
I hope they have a billion views each.
A billion views.
They don't
each?
have a billion views
We didn't even
yet.
upload most of them. But yeah,
All right, one watching. That's awesome. That's us.
that's us.
So they have
We are
41 and
watching
42, but
ourselves.
I'm pretty sure that's both. That's before they were.
Yeah. It's okay. It's all right. We were not really sure what to expect with releasing Hydrin today, especially it's the end of the week. People are doing things on Fridays, especially like work. So yeah, but yeah, I mean, if for anybody watching after the fact, like leave us a comment, drop us a comment, like should we do this more often, the whole live stream?
I like
thing?
the live streaming thing.
Yeah.
It's just your basement would be a great place to do it. It's
would.
just we don't have Ethernet.
We don't. Yeah, it is kind of an issue.
It would help, especially so that we don't have to keep ripping apart this living room.
Yeah, it would be really nice.
Dive HQ.
Dive HQ is my parents' basement. That's really
No,
cool.
Dive HQ is Laura's.
Yeah, we could do it at Laura's. Dive Tap HQ. Yeah. Mhm. We don't have a physical location. I
I know I
wish we
shouldn't.
did.
Yeah, I know I shouldn't be yawning, but holy crap, I got I had the best sleep last night on an air mattress I think I've ever had. I kid you not.
Yeah, I mean, what we got 4.5 hours of sleep.
If
something like
even,
that?
yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah, I don't know, but I went upstairs and then I was like, I need to get water, and then I came down and it looked like you were out.
yeah. I mean, I was. Yeah. It didn't take long. It didn't take long at all to completely lose.
Yeah,
me.
we were up till 5, 4.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think it was. Well, we got up at
9:30.
9:30, so that would be if I said it was 4.5 hours. I think so. That would mean 5. Yeah. So
It was crazy. So,
yeah.
well, thank you all for not watching live. And thank
Jeez.
thank you for watching.
Thank you
this.
for watching.
Yeah, we're so happy for this to be out. We're so happy to share this with you guys, and hopefully you enjoy. And if you have any critiques or whatnot, go to our Hydrin profile, follow us everywhere, and tell us how bad of a job we're doing.
Yeah, just completely put us on blast. That's what I'm saying. Like, you gotta cancel. No, actually,
Don't cancel Dive.
Don't cancel Dive, please. We're trying. We're trying to do good things. So
Yeah, this new Hydrin landing page though is so flipping cool.
thanks.
It moves. I mean, it's probably gonna
We can go
lag,
back.
but sure.
Yeah.
Look at this. There's Laura's profile. Laura, do you want to edit your profile at all or no? Okay, she doesn't want to do it in front of all y'all.
That's respectable.
Gotcha. You could totally just add your photography stuff to it.
Yeah, why don't you? Yeah, you can make a mock-up account. Really.
I'll make a mock-up profile without even creating an account. Add a name.
Make it for Laura. Yeah, we'll make a
Laura. But this is Laura.
Laura.
This is great.
I like it.
So we're gonna choose a picture. I did not expect these to show up.
Those are good options. All good options. Yeah, it's
We're gonna choose a shape. Let's do. We gotta do the moon.
we gotta do the moon for Laura's sake. Yeah.
Yep. So we gotta choose a color. Obviously, we gotta do a purple. Light
It's
mode.
that's literal pink. That's not even.
There we go. This is Laura's profile. She has a new YouTube video out apparently.
Really? Laura, you didn't tell me that you were making YouTube videos now.
She needs to make YouTube videos again,
Yeah.
or live stream, or do something content.
Content.
Concrete real.
Oh, concrete real estate?
Apparently, I don't know. I think we're getting tired here.
We are.
But yeah, like we said, thank you all for watching, live or not. It's been a blast working on this, showing you guys what we've been working on. Anything else we want to say?
I think that'll do it.
All right.
Appreciate you guys.
Yep. Thank you for tuning in.
Yeah.
And we hope to talk to you soon. Join us in Discord or follow us on our socials, all at hydrin/dive. And you can check out the new update at hyder.in.
Oh man.
And we hope to talk to you guys again soon.
Sweet.
Yeah. The queue. This is the queue.